Well, not really. It's just a fan in a box. that we just attached a fan into a refrigerator box and we just put in a cooler over it. Did you know that's what the I don't know if I'm not sure if you remember, but the Xbox refrigerator,
Yeah.
that wasn't even a refrigerator. That was literally just a box that they attached a fan to it on the inside. It didn't have any like Freon in it, so it didn't actually keep anything cold.
No shit.
Yeah.
Even the one they sell now?
Yeah, I think so.
Hmm.
I always wanted a mini fridge, but there's no point